Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Living Life Dial Style. We got you another one today. We're going to be doing some plumbing work and a little landscaping, a little groundwork. You see what I got going on here? I got my water line going into the house down there, and I've dug it way down over there on that side. Now, let me explain to you what I want to do. This ground right here, this ground is super high right here, and I have a hard time maintaining she's worried about the dog. Zoom over on the dog and show everybody what you're worried about. Zoom over on the dog. Catch the dog. She's afraid the dog's going to go out into the road. Now, this is real video right here. We're showing y'all what really happens. All right, now pay attention to me, ma'am, camera lady. Pay attention to me. Show them the view of this bank going down. All the way. Can you see down on the end down there? Mm-hmm. All right. What I'm going to do, come back to me. What I'm going to do is I dug this up for now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go get the mini excavator, and I'm going to knock this hard slope off of this wall, off of this right here, so that I can actually cut this with my lawnmower, with my riding mower. Now, what happens is, all right, because I'm going to cut this down, the meter box used to be down there, those meter boxes. Can you see them down there? They used to be way up here. But now here's the problem. When I landscape this down, if I keep them where they were, they're going to be out of the ground. Okay. So in order to get them down in the ground where I want and knock this hill down, I've had to dig down here and make the meter a lot deeper. But now I can't get it down without first cutting my pipe here and taking some pipe out, because when I cut the pipe, then I can pull it forward, and this is going to go down to where I want it to be. And thus, when I cover everything back up, I'll have my meter box at the right height sticking up out of the ground like it's supposed to be. And I'm going to also accomplish this groundwork that I need to do to get this ground leveled out like I want it, so that I can actually utilize the property and cut the grass and not have to. I don't like weed eating this whole thing. It takes forever. So call me a little girl if you want to. That's fine. I'm all right. I can accept it. But anyway, that's what I want to do. And now also what we're here to do too is we're going to tee into this line. Show them over that way. We're going to tee into this line, and we're going to go. Can you see the bunkie? Mm-hmm. Can y'all hear that attitude?
No, y'all ain't heard nothing yet.
Living Life Dial Style. Get you some. We're gonna trench over and run the water line to the bunkie while we're doing this, because we've got it dug up. See, I've been waiting to do all this until I was ready to run the water line, and I'm probably not going to do the whole hillside today, but I do have to at least get it leveled off right here on either side of the boxes, so that I can determine what's going to be ground level before I cut this and set my boxes. So that's where we are right now. And sit back, buckle up, put your seatbelt on, and I'm gonna go get the mini excavator, and we're gonna come up here and I'm gonna do a little mini excavating right here, and we'll Alright folks, I got my microphone on. I'm just trying to take it easy. This whole thing is jerky, but you know what? It's really the operator, I think. It's getting used to it. I have not put enough time on this machine, and I say this every time I do a video. But you know what? It's because I'm always freaking doing something else. I don't have hardly any hours on this machine. Let me see what I got. I got 27 hours on the machine, which is crazy. I got a light on too. Got my light off. Alright. It's just getting, you just need some time in on this thing. And what I've also got too is I brought my tractor up here. I brought my tractor up here with the box blade and my bucket. So what I will do is I will get okay, there we go. Getting down there. These folks around this neighborhood, they'll never know what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna be doing. Since I've been here, I've been working on this place. This right here, though, what I'm doing now is my dream. To get this ground cut down like this. Let's see if, I don't know if you guys can see it. It depends on what she's doing. Let me back up a little bit. I modified this thing. I put foot pedals on it instead of those handles that were on it, so that I could move it with my feet. Although I don't know if that's going to be a whole lot of benefit to me, but it just seemed like the handles were too close. Whoop. See what I'm saying? I get the bumping on this thing. See what I'm doing now. This is looking good. I am going to freaking make a serious little nice little see, another thing I need, which my wife don't really want to hear it. I need a one of the wide buckets without the teeth on it, so that I can I need one of the wide buckets without the teeth, so that I can be. See that it's real hard to smooth this down with this bucket with the teeth on it. Although, there again, you know, that goes to show you I wouldn't call myself a skilled excavator operator. So, and that's going to be a lot of my problem actually. But I've seen people, you know, everybody says these things are really jerky and everything, and I have seen people use these things and not be so jerky. Realistically, the main thing is it's probably like playing a piano or a guitar. Probably once you figure out where all the controls are, it's probably not that big of a deal at that point, you know. See, I'm already amassing a little bit of dirt here. Now what I'm gonna do is lift my thing up and give me a little scrape. Did you see that? What's wrong? I got a seatbelt on.
Hey, happy birthday. I don't know yet because he's determined to do this. We're running the water line to the bunkie.
Oh, okay.
All right,
He
that
wants to
gets me
cut this
somewhat
hill
close.
down.
That might be in my way.
There you go.
That penny's in the way.
Come on.
My back tire's fixing to go in the hole, right?
Yes.
All right. That's good. Steven, this tool is getting covered up. I know. I didn't even scoop it up, did I?
No.
What about now?
Yep.
All right.